Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Electron is a popular framework for building cross-platform desktop applications using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here's an informative tutorial on learning Electron by building 5 advanced desktop applications. Each application will highlight different features of Electron. Prerequisites: basic knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Getting started with Electron. 1. Setting up your environment. First, install Electron globally. Bash. npm install g-electron. Create a new project directory. Bash. mkdir electron apps. cd electron apps. npm init y. Install Electron in your project. Bash. npm install Electron save dev. Create a file structure. Electron apps / package.json. main.js. index.html. styles.css. In your package.json, add the following to the scripts section. JSON. Scripts. Start, Electron. 2. Basic Electron app. In main.js. JavaScript. Const app, browser window equals require, Electron. Function create window. Const win equals new browser window. Width, 800. Height, 600. Web preferences. Node integration, true. Win.load file, index.html. App when ready, then, create window. In index.html. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML. Head. Title my Electron app / title. Link rel equals style sheet type equals text / css ref equals styles.css / head. Body. h1 hello, Electron, /h1 / body /html. Now run your app. Bash. npm start. Application 1, Markdown Editor. Description *: a simple Markdown editor that allows users to write and preview Markdown content. Key features *: use of Electron and Showdown library for Markdown conversion. Code example * 1. Install Showdown. Bash. npm install Showdown. 2. Update index.html. HTML. Text area ID equals Markdown placeholder equals write your Markdown here, /text area. Div ID equals preview /div. 3. Update main.js and add Markdown processing. JavaScript. Const showdown equals require, showdown. Const converter equals new showdown.converter. / add IPC for communication. Const IPC main equals require, Electron. IPC main.on, convert MD, event, Markdown, equals. Const HTML equals converter.make HTML, Markdown. Event.reply, MD converted, HTML. 4. Update renderer process in index.html. HTML. Script. Const IPC renderer equals require, Electron. Document.get element by ID, Markdown, .add event listener, input, event, equals. Const Markdown equals event.target.value. IPC renderer.send, convert MD, Markdown. IPC renderer.on, MD converted, event, HTML, equals. document.getElement by ID, preview, .inner HTML equals HTML. /script. Application 2, to-do list with local storage. Description **: a to-do list application that saves tasks using local storage. Key features **: persistence with local storage. Code example **: 1. Update index.html. HTML. Input ID equals task placeholder equals new task slash. Button ID equals add task slash button. UL ID equals task list slash UL. 2. Update renderer code. JavaScript. Const task input equals document.getElement by ID, task. Const task list equals document.getElement by ID, task list. Function load tasks. Const tasks equals JSON.parse, local storage.getItem, tasks. Tasks.forEach, task equals. Add task to DOM, task. Function add task to DOM, task. Const li equals document.createElement, li. Li text content equals task. Task list.append child, li. Document.getElement by ID, add task, add event listener, click, equals. Const task equals task input.value. If, task. Add task to DOM, task. Save task, task. Task input.value equals. Function save task, task. Const tasks equals JSON.parse, local storage.getItem, tasks. Tasks.push, task. Local storage.setItem, tasks, JSON.stringify, tasks. Load tasks. Application 3, image viewer with file system access. Description **: an image viewer that allows users to open and view images from their file system. Key features **: use of dialog module for file selection. Code example **: 1. Update index.html. HTML. Button ID equals open image slash button. img ID equals image viewer src equals style equals max width, 100%, max height, 100%, slash. 2. Update main.js. JavaScript. Const dialog equals require, Electron. IPC main.on, open image, async, event, equals. Const result equals await dialog.show open dialog. Properties, open file. Filters, name, images, extensions, JPG, PNG, GIF. If, result.cancelled. Event.reply, image selected, result.file path 0. 3. Update renderer process. JavaScript. Const open image button equals document.getElement by ID, open image. Open image button.add event listener, click, equals. IPC renderer.send, open image. IPC renderer.on, image selected, event, path, equals. Document.getElement by ID, image viewer, .src equals path. Application 4, weather app using API. Description **: a weather application that fetches weather data from a public API. Key features **: fetch data from an external API using Axios. Code example ** 1. Install Axios. Bash. npm install Axios. 2. Update index.html. HTML. Input ID equals city placeholder equals enter city slash. Button ID equals get weather slash button. div id equals weather result slash div. 3 update renderer process. JavaScript. Const axios equals require, axios. Document.get element by id, get weather, add event listener, click, async, equals. Const city equals document.get element by id, city, value. Try. Const response equals await axios.get, https://api.openweathermap.org/data/2.5/weather, q equals $city and apid equals your_API_key. Const weather equals response.data. Document.get element by id, weather result, .inner html equals h2 $weather.name/h2. p temperature, $weather.main.temp, 273.15, to fixed, 2, degree C/p. p weather, $weather.weather0.description/p. Catch, error. Document.get element by id, weather result, .inner text equals error fetching weather data. Application 5, music player with Electron. Description ** a simple music player that allows users to play local audio files. Key features ** use of HTML5 audio for music playback. Code example ** 1 update index.html. HTML. Button ID equals open music /button. Audio ID equals audio player controls /audio. 2 update main.js. JavaScript. IPC main.on, open music, async, event, equals. Const result equals await dialog.show open dialog. Properties, open file. Filters, name, audio files, extensions, MP3, WAV, OGG. If, result.cancelled. Event.reply, music selected, result.file path 0. 3 update renderer process. JavaScript. Const open music button equals document.get element by id, open music. Open music button add event listener, click, equals. IPC renderer send, open music. IPC renderer on, music selected, event, path, equals. Const audio player equals document.get element by id, audio player. Audio player.src equals path. Audio player.play. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered building 5 advanced desktop applications with Electron. Each app showcases different capabilities, including file handling, local storage, API interaction, and multimedia playback. As you continue to explore Electron, you can enhance these applications with more features, improve the UI with frameworks like React or Vue.js, and implement more complex functionalities. Further resources. Electron documentation, https://www.electronjs.org/docs/latest. Electron API demos, https://github.com/electron/electron-API-demos. Showdown documentation, https://github.com/showdown.js/showdown. Axios documentation, https://axios-http.com/docs/intro. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy coding!